So we're leaving now and we're going to Rottnest Island. Got in a car, everything's packed and ready to go. So we're gonna drive to the ferry now, catch the ferry and go to the island. I'll see you soon. Bye. So when I was booking the ferry, there were two options to book. The Sea Link, which is the one that I'm doing, and there was also Rottnest Express. So I chose Sea Link because just basically it was the quickest one. The other one was gonna leave at 9:30 and this one was gonna leave at 9. So I just wanted to make the most out of it and go there as soon as I could. It's gonna be a beautiful day and I'll see you guys soon. Just got here in a ferry, got our guide. This beautiful animal here is called a quokka. There's many of those around the island and I'm showing you guys. To rent the bikes now, so gonna get the bikes, which is the best way to go around the island. We're gonna go for a tour and stop at the most amazing places we see along the way. Here are the prices to rent the bikes. I'm getting the electric bike, $70. So we got the locks now and we're going to get the bike. So this is how you do it. If you're a bit lazy like me, you get an electric bike. Life is good. Just parked my electric bike here and look who I found. This is the beautiful quokka. They love a good cuddle. Hello. So beautiful. First stop, Pinkie Beach. Leaving Pinkie Beach now, on my way to the lighthouse, so we'll see what it's like. This is Pinkie Beach, where the lighthouse is. So it's 10:30 a.m. now, Perth time, and I'm about to reach the top here at Pinkie Beach and walk around the lighthouse. Beautiful view here. You can see pretty much around the island. Now that the sun is out, the beach looks absolutely amazing. Leaving this amazing place here for a great view to go to the next destination, which is Salmon Bay. So here's the map of the island, and I'm leaving Pinkie Beach now and going to little Salmon Bay right here, so we gotta go this way. Henrietta Rocks, another little gem hidden here in Rottnest Island. Look at the color of the water. So beautiful. Wow. Henrietta Rocks was such a beautiful beach. My God, I'm still blown away. But now there's something even better to go check out, which is Little Salmon Bay. So I'm on my way there right now. Gonna hop on a bike and just accelerate my way there. But first, before we get to Salmon Bay, we're gonna take a look at Parker Point. Amazing place as well and perfect for snorkeling. So I'm back on the bike now, on my way to Little Salmon Bay. Salmon Bay, 1.7 kilometers. So take a look at this view here from Little Salmon Bay, where I'm gonna go for a swim right now. Just went for a swim here in beautiful Little Salmon Bay, and now on my way to Salmon Bay, which is a little bigger than this one, and let's go explore. See you soon. Time to hop back on a bike now. Look at the color of the water. So this is Salmon Bay. The other beach was Little Salmon Bay, which is smaller. Obviously, it's a little bay. And this one is much larger. The sun is out, so the water is crystal clear. Such an amazing place to come visit. If you're coming to Perth again, it's a must-see. If you're coming to Western Australia, must-see. A day trip to Rottnest Island. That was the first time I've seen a snake in a wild here in Australia. Leaving Salmon Bay and going back to Little Salmon Bay because it was nicer, it was deeper. Salmon Bay was nice for snorkeling, but Little Salmon Bay is better for swimming because it's more like a swimming pool. It's not as shallow. So it's right around the corner. I'm almost there. So aside from the bikes, there's also a bus that goes around the island. So you can always check the time here and take the bus to go around. After an amazing day, time to return the bikes. On the next adventure. Ciao.